Serbia is exploding underneath our asses, but anyway, Bogdan briefed me very quickly, sent me some documents. I put him in contact with our bankers who is doing the separation on Serbia of the news business, etc. So I put him in contact, etc. He will also reach out to the lawyers in Luxembourg from Deva Voice so that we can get things done. My problem is, Vlada, I sorted out the escrow for you. Did that work? Is that okay now? The escrow? Everything is good. Everything is good. Okay, perfect. Vlada, I don't know who promise you what or whatever, but when I make a promise, I do it. So I'm a person of my word. The problem is that I have is too many things are happening too fast in many ways, including the Serbia thing. I've got very little influence other than what we discussed in when we met in Belgrade. I cannot fire Alexandra today, as we discussed. Okay, I need to make that company very small in Serbia, if you understand what I mean, and separated. The time for that, and that is what we've agreed. Okay, we need to get the banks to move fast, etc. Now, I understand that the president called you and is very upset, and I can understand. But I need to find a way to do it fast. Which I don't know what Nikos promised you or somebody promised you, but I will do everything to help you, Vlada. Yes. The same situation as in Europe. You have directors of media, and you have Alexander Subotic that is actually not on some formally big position. So this is President Klaus Nikos. In the first way to replace only Alexander Subotic, not the director of Fenomen, as he was aware that it is difficult now to change the director of Fenomen without reorganization. No, we will move as fast as possible. Subotic is like Victoria or some position that is yeah, it's a KGB kind of dog job. Yeah. She's the people issue. All other people are not directly issue, but all other people, okay. Okay. So in this Serbian environment, that we have professional, but I promise you, if I could find Alexandra, she annoys the shit out of me. Really, every time I speak to her, I go crazy. Okay, I don't want to speak to her. I don't like her. Okay, so it is not a problem if I still liked her a little bit. That would be fine. If I tell you how she speaks with me, she tells me, you must decide. I told her now 6 times. You do not tell me what to do. Okay, I don't work for you. Right? It's terrible. Also in the meetings that we have, yes, you must do this. You must do this. I don't follow. She managed, for example, announcement of busy parties when you are was ingredient put in your news because Alexander Subotic, in our view, it was enough for Nico because the first announcement of busy parties when we did I know, but she managed that news of the United. I know what she's done. She didn't only do it once, she did it many times. But I'm not concerned about what Nikos thinks, okay? Nikos is a friend of mine. I've known him for a long time. But at the end of the day, I run the fucking company and I love Nikos. He's very dear. He's a good friend of mine. I know the family, everything. On the other hand, I need to make things happen and I'm going to make them happen as fast as possible, madam. You will explain about so any help that you need from me, I can jump to yes, absolutely. If you want to discuss. No, absolutely. Together with yeah. Consider me as No, I do. I do already. I do already, brother. So we, yeah, when we shook hands, when we shook hands, right, we are together now. When I met you from the first day, we became friends. You don't need to spend 100 years together to become friends. I trust you 100%. There's one other thing that I need to ask you as well. On the acquisition of Shopster and the other stuff that we discussed, I'm so busy. Can you postpone by 1 week, please? I need to do the deal, but if we can just set it out for a week or two. You prepare your things, and I will. Yes. I'll fly to Serbia, and we will get it done. And then we go and have a nice lunch at the club again. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. That's good. Okay. Very good. I'm working hard on it. Thank you, brother.